Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we're going to be playing with the Colourpop Star Wars Mandalorian palette, the child palette. It's super pretty. I love the greens and it's got a mirror in it. So I'm going to see what kind of look I can come up with, play with this a little bit and put on some makeup, and if that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. Alright, let me take my glasses off. I've already done my brows and primed my eyes. I used the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil in deep brown for my brows, and I used the Beauty Bay Eye Base in Base 2 for my eyes. And we're going to get into this palette, do a look. Alright, I'm going to take Babyface on a Sigma E25 to go into my crease. That's my transition shade. I also got the other collection they came out with in the mail today. The one that's got the Baroque and ornate palettes in it. I can't remember what it's called, but I got that as well today. I'll be playing with those here pretty quick. Now I'm going to go into Float Your Crib right here. I'm going to put that in the outer corner of my lid. Alright, now I'm going to go into Sipping Soup right here. And I'm going to put that on the other half of my lid. I'm taking a cotton round with some micellar water and going to clean up my edges. I'm taking the number 7 Airbrush Away Radiance Boosting Primer. And I'm dotting that on my face. Alright, now I'm taking the Born This Way Matte 24 Hour Undetectable Super Long Wear Foundation in Vanilla. And I'm going to dot that on my face. I'm blending that out with my multitasker brush by Sigma. And I'm taking the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in Pearl. And I'm going to dot that on my under eyes real quick. And I'm blending that out with my concealer brush. And I'm taking the number 7 powder in light. I'm going to use that to set my concealer. I'm taking the Soul Face and Body Bronzing Balm in light. Going under my chin, and I'm going down my neck. Now I'm taking the Colourpop Pressed Powdered Cheek in Crossroads. And I'm gonna put that on my cheeks. And I'm taking the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek in Out of Quartz. Going over my brows. Down my nose. Cupid's bow. And the chin. I'm going to put on the Colourpop Creme Gel Liner in Wildcat. It's like a metallic green. I'm going to put that on my waterline. Now I'm going to take Little Frog and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. I'm going to take Right Hand Mondo, and I'm going to put that on the inner corner of my eye. I'm going to hop off here, throw on some Thrive Cosmetics mascara, and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm taking the Juvia's Place Luxe Liner in Koala. It's just a dark brown liner. And I'm going to put that on my lips. I ordered the rest of these with my gift card that I got from Ulta. Plus I had a coupon for $15 off of $75. So, and I'm going to use the Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip in Queen Cobra. I'm going to put that on top of my lip liner. I also ordered a few of the lipsticks too. I want to try them out. I haven't tried them out yet, but I've heard they're really, really good. I'm going to use the Colourpop No Filter Setting Mist again. Seemed to keep my makeup on pretty good yesterday. I can't tell what that scent is. It kind of smells lemony, but not really. It kind of has, I can't tell, but it does smell good. Alright, well this is the final look using the Star Wars Mandalorian The Child palette. And I really, really love this palette. I love the colors in it. It's just beautiful. I'm real excited to keep using it and try some other combinations. I think they really did good with this palette. I know they have a couple other green palettes, but I've seen some differences between them, and it is different than the Meant to Be and Just My Luck. It's more of a hunter green, than Just My Luck is more of a like leprechaun green. I don't know what you would call Kelly green maybe, and the Mint to Green obviously is a mint greens. So it's not super different, but it's different enough that I'm real excited about it, because these are my color greens. I really, really love these grungy greens, and I'm super excited to have this palette, especially being a Star Wars fan. I probably should have bought 2 of them, but I didn't. I just got 1. But I'm sure they'll restock it as well. They'd be crazy not to restock it. I'm really, really loving this look. I think it turned out great. I love the colors that I used, especially the shimmer. I love me some shimmers. I like that they put the gold as the Force. They named the gold the Force. But there is a lot of combinations you can use. You can actually make a neutral look. If you used these down through here, you could do just a neutral look. You don't have to do a green look. So there is some different combinations you can use. It's not just going to look like one look whenever you use this palette. It's not just going to look the same every time. You can kind of shake it up and do some different things with it. So I'm really, really excited about this palette, and like I said, I can't wait to play with it some more. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Also ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And that's going to be all for me. I hope you are staying happy, staying healthy, taking care of yourselves, and I hope you have a great rest of the day. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.